So hello, today I'm going to show you some proper exhausts, so you can have a bit of that fucking culture too. Okay, let's do it.
The Cagiva Raptor 1000 with its rumbling exhausts combines power and elegance. These exhausts not only provide an aggressive appearance but also create a roar that reverberates through every street. Every twist of the throttle brings forth a distinctive sound, enticing adventure and speed. With the Cagiva Raptor 1000 and its rumbling exhausts, every ride becomes an unforgettable experience. These are exhaust tips from the manufacturer Venom, not exactly a traditional manufacturer, but their sound will impress any neighbor. Now I will give you a moment of peace so that you can absorb the atmosphere of this beautiful sound for yourself. Penta exhausts, again a lesser known brand, but the sound is certainly quite brutal. On this bike, almost every exhaust is loud enough. Now I will give you a moment of peace so that you can absorb the atmosphere of this beautiful sound for yourself. Akrapovic probably needs no introduction.